Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we have been seeing a beautiful retracement back towards the 0.382 here in the Fibonacci chart. This retracement is signifying that we could be having an amazing rally here towards the upside from here on, getting created here, since the golden pocket entry is a very strong place to enter your long position while you're in an uptrend and retracing ever so slightly towards the downside. As well, I'm going to discuss, of course, what I did with my current trade here, already up 6%, of course, and I can't wait to see where this one will be ending. As well, I'm going to go over this parallel channel towards the downside. We have been starting to create a resistance line from the top side, and as well a downward sloping support line, signifying that we're right now clearly in a downtrend. And for me, what will be very important is, of course, a breakthrough of this parallel channel. As well, we're going to go over the momentum indicators, what Bitcoin is most likely going to do here in the imminent short term. And for sure, we're going to discuss the 4 hourly candles. We're going to go over what is very likely to happen. Are we seeing any divergence? Are we seeing the momentum indicators telling us something special? And we will be going over what I currently think that Bitcoin is going to do here on the daily candles, and what will be one of my most perfect scenarios what could be playing out right now here. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button, and then we will be start off with discussing, of course, the 1 hourly candles here on Bitcoin, of course, discussing the parallel channel here. But guys, yesterday we reached the 500 likes on the video. It will be truly amazing if we can come close once again to the 500, or even go for the 450 likes here on today's video. Smashing up that like button is only taking a few seconds of your time, but you would be meaning the world for me here. So with this out of the way, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 1 hourly candles here. So yeah, you can clearly see here, since Bitcoin, of course, from this top around to 42.5k here, we started to move down here. And right now, of course, we started a clear downward slope resistance line, what also was providing us support in the past before that. And you can clearly see we're having a lot of touch points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points already on the top side. And you have to know, the more times we're going to retest the top side, the more likely it's going to be that we're going to break it. Since, of course, it always works like, okay, the more times you're going to knock on a certain door, the more likely it's going to be that you're going to break it. As well, it's the same for the lower side here, since we have been already seeing 4 or 5 touch points as well over there. But right now we are just seeing a clear, very easy to read chart here on the 1 hourly candle, since of course it is a parallel channel here. And the way how we should be approaching this here, if we're going to break through the top side here of this parallel channel, I will be, of course, flip bullish. I will be looking for more longs here, and I can be, of course, approaching maybe to see Bitcoin trading once again back on the 40k here. And we could be also see, of course, a breakdown from here on and break the lower side of support, and that could be signifying that we're going to see a major decrease in valuation, and we could be falling off very quickly. But do I really expect such a significant move towards the downside? No, personally, I ain't expecting that here. I mean, I've been talking a little bit about the daily candles as well here, and I will be talking a little bit about this before going into the 4 hourly candles. What are right now, in my opinion, the most important candles to watch here right now. So make sure to stick till the end of the video here, because we're going to discuss, of course, as well, why I accumulated this trade and what I will be doing with it. I will be closing it probably very quickly once again here, but I mean, just copying up some extra dollars, you know. So extra bitcoins, of course. So what I expect here on the daily candles, I mean, what I would like to see, of course, is this significant scenario here. I'm pretty bullish right now on the daily candles, where a lot of people are getting bearish here. I feel extremely bullish, and the reason why here is, first of all, you can see the previous high getting created over here, and yeah, really previous high over here. And you can see we formed a higher high, what is of course signifying that we are in an uptrend and that we are having more strength with the buyers. And right now, yeah, it's very likely to see such a retracement after 11 green candles in a row here. And personally, what will be absolutely lovely here is to see a retracement back towards this level around the 36k here, since this level has been providing us massive amounts of resistance in the past there. And if we can be retesting this level of previous resistance once again as support, this could be adding a lot of fuel towards the market. And you have to know, it's also the month of August, and I definitely think the summer is right now about to get over once again. And usually, guys, in the summer, Bitcoin is not doing anything special, usually also not increasing. July is usually the worst month for Bitcoin, and we clearly saw it, of course. We were absolutely doing nothing in that month here. But right now, I'm personally do expect, yeah, we started a new uptrend. We started the first rally up here, and right now it will be just going up with another legs up, with more legs up here. So I will be for sure taking this scenario like, okay, I want to be buying the dips up here right now, since of course the dip, buying the dip over here is different, since we are going sideways and we were setting lower highs the whole time here. Right now we're setting higher highs, and you should be ready buying the dips in my opinion, since I do expect a higher low to get formed from here on, and that could be leading once again for Bitcoin to maybe push back towards the 50k here. So that is my main expectation here, what could be happening here. So I already set up major levels here on the 36k to accumulate my position, of course. But right now you're maybe wondering, why do you accumulate a long position if you expect Bitcoin to go back to 36k here? And I will be explaining it real quickly here. So you can see over here, I set up here this Fibonacci tool on Bitcoin. So the swing low towards the swing high, signifying, of course, the retracing levels for Bitcoin, and I can see, of course, where it's likely to find some very strong support on. And I do expect to see Bitcoin moving absolutely ever so slightly towards the upside from here on, maybe back towards the 39.4k, after maybe going back for this correction to the 36k, what could be, of course, signifying my my real entry target. So of course, if we're going to fall further, my stop loss will just get hit here, and I will be just, of course, accumulating my position on 36k here. But I mean, I just can't let it go here that, of course, the 37.5k is such a strong accumulation zone, since, of course, it's the golden pocket here in the Fibonacci, and the golden pocket in the Fibonacci is usually a very significant trading opportunity. It's a very good opportunity to accumulate your long position. And I will be probably closing it already once I'm getting up towards 15 towards 20% in profit here. I will be at least closing it on the 39.3k here already before our resistance is even reached here, since I want to be, of course, extra careful. And you can see as well in the past there, resistance, and here very strong support. So yeah, looking forward towards this, but I personally do expect an ever so slightly move towards the upside before maybe continuing down here. And we could be even, of course, bounce already from here on. And if we're going to see so, yeah, unfortunately, we have not been reaching our exact target where I would have loved to, of course, accumulate a huge position. But you can see as well over here, previous resistance, we could be right now retesting this level as well here, and this could be as well resulting in another move towards the upside. And if we're going to see it from here on, this is also a clear higher low, so it's definitely looking particularly good here, nothing to really worry about here. And that is also the main reason why I accumulated this minor position. Golden pocket entry just gives me a lot of significance what we are about to see here as well. Let me go a little bit further into the 1 hourly candles in terms of momentum. You can see right now, if we're looking to the MACD, we are clearly seeing a low getting created, higher low getting created, and right now once again a higher low, where the price action, of course, still forming lower lows, giving me a lot of bullish divergence. Of course, we have not been really seeing a move towards the upside getting created here from here on, but it is signifying right now that the sellers are getting pretty exhausted, and we could be looking for some more higher prices anytime soon here. So that is making me feel also pretty excited about that one as well. If we're looking to the RSI, we can see clearly we have been forming higher lows, on the RSI as well here, telling us price is still moving down here, but the buyers are regaining the strength here. There will be a reversal point anytime soon here, and that is the reason why I already accumulated it. Of course, like I touched before, we can still go back to the 36k. Please don't judge me on that one, because I'm personally as well anticipating 36k here, but I mean, I just can't let the opportunity go for a minor accumulation on 37.5k. So yeah, we will be definitely looking forward towards it. And of course, if you want to be signing up as well here on Bybit, you can already do so with the link in the description. You could be signing up and using my referral link. There's a new bonus page here, so you're getting a $1,650 deposit bonus. What you could be doing here is signing up an account here in Bybit. You deposit some funds, you deposit some Bitcoin or Ethereum or USD Tether or XRP, whatever you want, and you will be getting a bonus. And after that, you withdraw your deposits, and you're having a free trading bonus here on Bybit, and you could be taking some free trades over here. So make sure to already check that out here. It's in the link in the description as well, the highest pinned comment here. You can sign up over there to get the bonus, and you could be, of course, joining me with these trades as well here. And if you want to be staying up to date about all the trading signals, I should highly suggest you to follow me as well here on Twitter @RoverCRC, since, of course, if I'm seeing good opportunities, I'm sharing it like always. And I've been already warning you guys while we were trading on a 37.5k that I accumulated my position over here. I always say these things here on Twitter, so make sure that you're following me as well over here, so you're not going to miss out on any of these opportunities as well. I was talking over here about XRP giving us as well a massive opportunity, so don't forget to miss out on XRP as well here, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video about it, so then I will be for sure doing so. So yeah, with this out of the way, let me go right away further into the chart here, and let me discuss this 4 hourly candle. Since on this 4 hourly candles, we have been seeing, of course, this, I mean, they're all the same here, but on this chart, you can clearly see, yeah, we broke the uptrend over here, previous support flipping into resistance. After that, we started to move towards the downside. And right now, we are clearly setting a lower low here in the price chart, lower low on the RSI, so looking very healthy. As well, if we're enabling the MACD here, we could be seeing some very interesting things here, to be honest. since it looks to be the MACD trend is also looking very healthy, since we have been forming a lower low on the MACD, lower low on the price section. But right now it looks to be that the sellers are getting exhausted, but still prices are running down here. So you can see here on these last, let's say 7 or 6 4 hourly candles, the MACD has been starting to move up here, and the price is still moving down here, signifying as well, once again, this is not necessarily a big bullish divergence, but we are seeing right now that the sellers are losing their strength here, and that we could be seeing, of course, a minor reversal on the 4 hourly candles as well here. So looking forward towards that one already, and I definitely can't wait to see what we're going to have here, especially if Bitcoin is sitting so low in the RSI. You have to take it with a grain of salt here, but it is giving you a signal that you really want to be longing Bitcoin and shorting it, since yeah, we are already pretty oversold here. So yeah, looking forward towards that one, and of course looking forward towards the opportunities. But this wasn't already it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of today, and let me know by, of course, smashing up that like button. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you guys in the next one, or maybe even later today, a video about XRP if you guys really want it, or Ethereum. Let me know in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.